my cat's here, and this is my little puppy, Evie. Evie, why are you still eating your cookie? I told you not to eat at the camera. Why don't you listen to me? They're both my buddies, and they're both cute. Today I'll be opening a Mewtwo GX card box. You know what? I'm going to do that in a different episode. Today I'm going to open Pokemon Sword from the Pokemon Sword and Shield pack. I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. I've got a Sobble pin as well. Here we are. I always get hyper. Big times, happy times, big times. Oh my gosh, I am so crazy. What has happened here? Hello. That's how. Happy times. We've got a Grookey card right here. Have a look. All the details on here. What is that? I can put that down here. Put that in one pot. Oh, that's actually quite a nice sign. And I got a card. I am not showing you the password, so you shall not know it. And I've got a school bunny. All the details on here, like last time. It's actually quite nice. I like this simple actually. It looks kind of nice. Sword and shield. It doesn't actually have a sword, it just has 2 wings. And Sobble, my Galarian partner. Okay, the big time. I've never opened one of the big packs before. Wow, this is... Just put that down. It's like, oh my gosh, it has one of the new pack. Oh wow, it's as light as a feather. Wow. It's big. I'm so excited. I'm close to crying of happiness. No, really, I have tears in my eyes. Hello. And the Sobble pin, this is cool. Only 1 pin, nice. That's sweet. So we've got a Blastoise Evolutions. I've always wanted another one. This is my second pack of it. Ooh, oh, Sylveon. Hey, look, the baby Pokemon. Igglypuff, Togepi, and Cleffa. Okay. Oh, Diego I'm going? No. There's Diego and Arceus and Palkia. I always forget that one. Why is it Palkia? I always forget. Some people that I know say Arceus is actually just a llama stuck in the fence. It's crazy though. Evolution. I keep the packs because I like what they look like, so do not blame me. Now these Pokemon, some of them are really hard. So what's the first evolution Pokemon? Oh, Charmeleon! I don't actually think I have that one. I only have, oh yeah, I don't have that one. I only have Charmander. They're all in one place. Okay, that's a trainer card. Oh, the Charizard Spirit Link for evolving. That's Red's partner, wasn't it? When he battled Mewtwo. Oh, trainer. Super potion. It makes it look epic, but it's not so epic. that sometimes when I get crazy. I've never seen it. River shiny Dr. Leo. Okay, this is the lucky pack. Lucky pack. Lucky pack. I am lucky. I think I have this card. Sad times. I hate it when I get doubled. I just get so mad. Sad times. Oh wait, no, that's a different Magnemite card. What is wrong? I already have Ghastly. But at least I get a card. But that's actually my first double in this pack. Actually, it looks so weird. Looks a bit like a vampire. So it's Poliwag. Okay, let's speed things up. Blow top. It looks like it's in a disco ball place. Or is he the disco ball? Who knows? Weedle was the last one. Next pack. That's adorable. That's Vaporeon. It's adorable. So cute. Different plane. Zangoose. Kind of looks like he's rocking out there. Angry but rocking out. Simple things of Zangoose. And one of the packs before I started this channel. Oh. I don't think I've seen. Oh, I have seen this one in the movie. Of Celebi. But like I was saying, I got a shiny Guzzlord and a shiny full card. But this is actually my first Pokemon channel episode ever, in fact. So I'm happy. Fire energy. Okay, that is new. I don't even think I've got one of these yet. It's a Mimikyu. Wait, why is it psychic? In the Alola region episodes, it's supposed to be ghost and fairy. Why is it psychic? I think people are playing a trick on me, you know. I don't know how to say his name. Oh, that is amazing, that is amazing, that is amazing. I have never seen one before. What? Okay, quack to you too. It's a ducklet. Woobat! It's a Galarian Pokemon. Finding Galarian mines. Oh, it's the Galarian. Ape. Why does it have to show its rear end? Cricket. I have this game called Pokemon Go and it has a cricket on it. And I caught it. What? Paletodables and Timbo. Another Galarian Pokemon. Dusclops. Hello. Oh, Mawile. And look, that's Mega Lopunny and Jigglypuff. In the background, of course. Cosmo! A Bellsong Cosmog, and it can either evolve into Lunala or Soliego. Ultra Beasts. I am a walking, talking Pokedex, but some of them I do not know. So, energy. I'm quite good at this. I've been doing this for a while now, but I don't know why I didn't start my channel sooner. I am super lucky, I am super lucky, I am super lucky. A trio. It's a trio, it's a trio. I am lucky, it's a full art, Igglybuff, Togepi, and Cleffa. Why? Don't listen to Igglybuff, she'll make you fall asleep instantly. What is wrong with you? actually a reverse shiny. And I did not notice that. Oh, that's a cute Sphere. These Pokemon are adorable. I love every Pokemon. Trapinch is eating the flowers. His eye looks crazy. What is Natu even doing? It's like, can you tell I'm being Natu? He's proud of himself for some reason. Oh, he's just looking into the distance. Oh, hello, Snoozles. Yeah, I bet they're going up to mischief. Let's mischief. Oh no, that's not a double for Fable because the other one was a reverse shiny. Aww, that's cute. It's Happiny. I'm just saying them just in case if you don't know how to say them. But don't blame me, I do not know. A double. You've got to be kidding me. But still, I'm fine with it because that always just adores me. I just do it sometimes to make fun of myself. I do the same exact thing Clever does. Oh, that's weird. Honda. I don't have this card. That one. It's really pouring outside. Dark energy. That probably means there's going to be a dark Pokemon next. Normally predicts, and I was wrong. That's actually a shiny. No, it's psychic, not dark. Oh. What is it called? I don't know how to pronounce this one. Mars Shadow. Yeah. It's shiny. It looks cool. I've never actually, you know what? That's a lie. I have seen one before. Reverse shiny Oddish that has been knitting. I don't even know if that's a word. I'm about to go in year 5 and I'm so ashamed of myself. 2 shinies in a row. Oh, I already have Glameow, but it's adorable. It has a bit of sass to it. I miss Reavers. Have it already done. Why is it that the most recent packs are the ones that have the most doubles? Gilgar, already have it. Hello. Why is this sticking this tongue out? Oh, I already have Sphere, but it's so adorable. I can never have any more. Very. And that's the last of them. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you're wanting to see the G, well, it's V, but I don't know what it means. If you want to see it, it's the last shot of it. If you're one of my schoolmates, of course you know me, but I've tried my best on this. I just love it. I think I'm going to put this on the frame. And thank you for watching, and bye!